In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Teachable machine model to TensorFlow Lite. By the end, you'll have a compact model ready for mobile and embedded devices without changing your workflow. Start by opening your Teachable machine project. Make sure you're in the project that contains the images, audio, or pose data you want to deploy. Everything you've set up in Teachable machine, your classes, samples, and settings, carries through to export. So confirm you're looking at the correct project before moving on. Next, train the model. Click the Train button and let Teachable Machine do the heavy lifting. Training time depends on the size and complexity of your dataset, so give it a moment. When training finishes, you'll see performance indicators that reflect how well the model learned from your examples. If you plan to export right away, ensure you're satisfied with the current training run, because export will package the trained weights as they are. Now, click Export Model. You'll usually find this near the top of the interface. Export is only available after training completes, so if it's grayed out, wait for training to finish. Exporting from here preserves exactly what you just trained, which is ideal when you want the exported model to match your on-screen results. In the Export window, select the TensorFlow Lite tab. TensorFlow Lite is a lightweight format designed for smartphones, single-board computers, and embedded hardware. Choosing this tab tells Teachable Machine to convert your model into a form that's efficient to run outside the browser. Next, choose the format that fits your deployment needs. Floating point keeps weights in full precision, which can give you slightly better accuracy and is a good choice when file size isn't your main concern or you're targeting modern devices with strong compute. Quantized reduces the model to lower precision numbers, making it smaller and typically faster to run on mobile and embedded devices. This can significantly cut file size and latency with only a modest impact on accuracy for many use cases. If you're aiming for tight memory budgets or edge hardware, quantized is often the practical default. If you're prioritizing maximum accuracy during prototyping, floating point is a great starting point. Finally, click Download My Model. Teachable Machine will package the trained model in TensorFlow Lite format and start the download. You'll receive the model file along with any accompanying files the export includes, ready to integrate into your app or device workflow. That's it. You've successfully exported your Teachable Machine model to TensorFlow Lite and are ready to deploy on mobile or embedded platforms.